How can I stay behind when everyone is making these viral doner kebabs? There is so much hype on the internet about them that I simply could not resist. And trust me, they are so juicy, so soft, and so aromatic, you are absolutely going to fall in love with them. I'll tell you the secrets that make them perfectly juicy, what to do, what not to do, and I promise, even mine came out perfect on the first try. Let's just get cooking. I'm using 500 grams of beef mince today, but you can easily make these doner kebabs with chicken or mutton mince. It has around 20 grams of fat, which is exactly what keeps the doner kebabs juicy. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt or to your taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, or you can add ginger and garlic paste instead of powders, 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder, 2 heaping tablespoons of yogurt, 1 cup chopped onion, and I haven't drained the onion water, 1 tablespoon butter, ghee, or oil, 1 tablespoon corn flour, or you can use 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, or even 1 egg. All of these help in binding and keep the kebab juicy. 1 tablespoon hot sauce, a handful of coriander leaves or parsley, 1 cup sliced capsicum or bell pepper, any color you like. I used red and green. Now I'm going to put all of this into the chopper and chop it very fine. There should be no hard pieces remaining. It should come out like a paste. Look at the consistency, so soft, easy to handle, and everything is perfectly mixed. Now I've taken a piece of butter paper and I'm going to oil it lightly, the whole working surface, and the butter paper. This is a baking sheet. I divided the entire mixture into 5 parts. So basically we will make 5 doner kebabs from 500 grams of mince. After taking one portion, just press it slightly with your hands and try to shape it into a square. Then place another butter paper on top and grease that paper too. This step is the real trick that most people ignore. Now take your rolling pin and with gentle hands, roll out the mixture evenly from all sides. Roll it as thin as possible. Let me show you how thin it is, and look how easily the baking sheet comes off. Now start rolling the sheet from one side and shape it like a roll. Repeat the same process with all the mixture. Be gentle while rolling out because if you press too hard, the mixture can squeeze out from the sides. I made all my doner kebabs, and when I tried placing them in my baking dish, they didn't fit. I didn't have a large flat dish. So I simply cut them from the middle, and they fit perfectly. Now I'm going to bake them in a preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and then at 250 degrees Celsius for another 15 minutes. So total baking time will be 25 to 30 minutes. And until then, let's make our sauce. I've taken a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup curd, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 3 crushed garlic cloves. And just like that, our delicious garlic sauce is ready. I also cut some onions and lettuce. You can use any vegetables you like for crunch, even if you're making rolls. After 25 to 30 minutes, this is how our doner kebabs look. Just look at them. They come off the paper so easily, and they're unbelievably juicy and delicious. There will be some leftover juices from the kebabs. Just drain it out and drink it because it's incredibly tasty, or use it in any gravy for extra flavor. Now arrange all the doner rolls back into the baking dish, brush them with ghee, and grill them for 7-8 minutes. You can also pan fry them by flipping sides. Both ways work great. Here is the final look, and they do not become dry at all. Look how juicy they are, so soft that I can easily fold them like this. You can make burgers with them, stuff them in pita bread, or I used tortillas. Apply the garlic yogurt sauce, add the doner kebab slices, lettuce, and sliced onions, roll it up and enjoy. Just look how tempting this looks. Please try this once on my recommendation. You're gonna love it, your family is going to love it, and they're incredibly easy to make. I'll see you in another recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.